10 best ways to naturally whiten yellow teeth at home. We all dream of having the perfect-looking teeth you can see on the red carpet and all over magazine covers. However, not all of us can afford to go to the dentist to have our teeth professionally whitened. And that's okay. Save your hard-earned cash because we've collected 10 effective ways to naturally whiten your teeth without destroying your enamel or your bank account. Before we get into the home remedies, you should know that all of these methods must not be used at the same time. Pick one and stick to it. Plus, if you have problems with your teeth, at-home whitening may not be for you. You can always check with your dentist beforehand to make sure. Taking proper care of your teeth every day is crucial for these remedies to work. So be sure to check out this video to see what common mistakes you might be making in your daily oral care routine. It's definitely eye-opening and useful. And now, let's dive into these DIY remedies for natural teeth whitening in the comfort of your own home. Number 10. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has recently been gaining fame as an amazing home remedy for teeth whitening. And it's no surprise, since it's for sure one of the easiest and most inexpensive products to naturally whiten your teeth. As an antioxidant, this stuff truly works wonders by removing all the toxins and surface stains left by tea, coffee, and food consumption. Brushing your teeth with activated charcoal has been proven to lighten them by up to 3 shades. Pretty impressive, right? So if you want to try it, here's what you should do. Crush up 1 charcoal tablet into a powder. Dip your clean, wet toothbrush into it and brush your teeth as you normally do. Just don't freak out when your teeth and mouth instantly become covered in the black stuff. It rinses away to reveal brighter, whiter teeth. Number 9. Powdered milk and toothpaste. Dairy products, especially milk, significantly improve the health of your teeth. That's because milk contains both calcium and phosphorus, which promote the remineralization of tooth enamel. You can either put more dairy products in your diet or simply use powdered milk to brush your teeth. Combine it with your toothpaste for an even better effect. Just put some toothpaste on your toothbrush, add a bit of powdered milk on top, and brush your teeth. Do this 1 to 2 times a week to get your teeth pearly white and strong. Number 8. Baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda does a great job at removing surface stains from your teeth, making them way whiter as a result. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening teeth. Not to mention, lemons have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in your mouth. Hey, nobody invited them in there. The right way to combine these 2 ingredients would be to put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush and then add a few drops of lemon juice over it to achieve a set of bright, shiny teeth. Just don't use this whitening method more than once a week. That's enough to get the desired effect and keep your enamel healthy at the same time. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. This combination provides a more gentle cleansing, so you can repeat this procedure a little more frequently, twice a week. Number 7. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is basically a bleaching agent, so it's a must-have for teeth whitening. However, before using hydrogen peroxide, make sure that your teeth aren't too sensitive. If you're good to go, simply dip a cotton swab into the peroxide and gently rub it on your teeth. Be careful though, because this whitening technique isn't recommended for frequent use as it can harm your enamel. Doing it once or twice a week would be plenty. If you don't want to risk damaging your teeth, you can always find a toothpaste with hydrogen peroxide in it from the store. This way you don't have to worry about your teeth sensitivity because the hydrogen peroxide is balanced out with other ingredients. Hydrogen peroxide can also be used as a mouthwash before brushing your teeth. Just make sure that you're using either a 1.5% or 3% solution for this. Other possible options are hydrogen peroxide gel or even teeth whitening strips. So get your hands on some hydrogen peroxide in any of its forms and enjoy your new snow white teeth. Number 6. Baking powder and lemon juice. Baking powder eliminates stains on the surface of your teeth, and lemon juice, as we already said, has multiple components that lighten teeth. Just mix a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and you guessed it, you brush your teeth with the paste. This mixture will work wonders in just 2 minutes. But remember the golden rule, do not leave it on your teeth for more than 2 minutes because it'll damage your enamel. After a couple of weeks of using this home treatment once or twice a week, your teeth will be so blinding that you'll have to warn people to put on some sunglasses before you smile at them. Number 5. Sea salt, lemon juice, and toothpaste. Another great component for a homemade teeth whitening remedy is sea salt. It has loads of important minerals and elements such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, among others. Sea salt has antibacterial properties as well, which freshen your breath and protect your enamel. So if you want to see these amazing effects for yourself, mix half a teaspoon of sea salt and some freshly squeezed lemon juice with a small amount of toothpaste in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your teeth and leave it on for a minute before rinsing your mouth thoroughly. Just like with most of the procedures on this list, repeat 1 to 2 times a week. Number 4. Lemon juice and water. A mixture of equal parts lemon juice and water will help restore whiteness to your teeth and completely disinfect your oral cavity. To test this out, mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Brush your teeth thoroughly with the combined liquids and then rinse it out. After that, brush your teeth again, this time with your regular toothpaste. Do this just once a week. Another possible method is to apply the water-lemon mixture directly onto your teeth and leave it there like a mask for about 10 minutes. After the time's up, rinse your mouth out with water. You can do this twice a week for better results. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar is a highly powerful cleansing and disinfecting agent. It removes stains and kills all the bacteria in your mouth. Simply dilute half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and use this homemade mouthwash every morning before brushing your teeth. Don't worry, the water balances out the acidity of the vinegar, so it's totally fine to use this mixture daily. Another equally effective method is to simply rub apple cider vinegar directly onto your teeth. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. However, you can do this more concentrated version only once a week, of course, because the vinegar can break down the tooth enamel, so be careful. Number 2. A strawberry. Pretty much everybody knows that strawberries are super delicious and healthy. But did you know that they're great for lightening your teeth as well? That's because they're acidic, which, if you haven't noticed by now, is great for teeth whitening. The easiest way to make use of it is to take a ripe strawberry and mash it up with a spoon. Brush your teeth with this paste for a few minutes to get rid of yellow stains. You can do this once a month. Hey, while you're at it, why not throw in some baking soda to the mix? In this case, you should mash up 1 strawberry, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, stir them together, dip your toothbrush into the mixture, and brush your teeth with it. Don't forget to leave the mixture on your teeth for about 5 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. Repeat this 1 to 2 times a week. Number 1. Toothpaste, sea salt, baking soda, and lemon juice. It's great to use these powerful remedies one by one, but why not combine them all and make one super remedy? Super remedy to the rescue! Plus, notice that while we warned you earlier not to combine all the remedies, with this specific combination, you'll be okay, if you're careful, because it has a safe enough balance of acidic and alkaline components. So here's what you should do. Mix 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, a pinch of sea salt, a bit of baking soda, and 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice in a bowl. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see the difference in just one use. But don't get too excited. That immediate result is due to the fact that this treatment is potent with a capital P. You can use this method only once every 2 months. The effect will last quite a long time, so don't overdo it and hurt your poor enamel. And there you have it. Achieving the perfect smile is way easier than you'd think. Do you have any DIY teeth whitening tips of your own? Let us know in the comments section below. Be sure to give us a like, and since all your friends will be asking how you got your teeth so white, just go ahead and share this video with them now in advance. Subscribe to our channel to see more informative and fun videos, and always stay on the bright side.